Awesome. So let me share screen. Boom, boom. Okay, refresh. So today is February 14th. Happy Valentine's Day to the peeps. And what we're gonna cover is a trade I caught today. So first things first, I'm on the daily time frame. I'll do a top-down analysis, and you can see I only have daily and 8-hour lines. I don't really use any other time frame for support and resistance. I just try to create zones with the 8-hour and a daily line. I don't really have a daily line down here. I only see one. I guess you could go right there. But I put my daily lines are the red lines. So those are my red support and resistance. And then I also want to note that this is order blocks coming off the daily. And then coming down to the 8-hour, you can see my purple lines. And then now in the 4 hours, usually when I switch back to my candles, I was able to identify this trend line. We see we have a touch follow through. And then price hit a strong level of support and then was able to push through it. That's why you have this large body candle in the 4 hour. If price was going to be respected, it would have pushed off of this trend line right there. So now I do understand that we could even draw a trend line like this. I didn't have it on there, but we are in a, I wouldn't say a major downtrend, but on the 4-hour time frame, we have the potential to hit another push down to the downside, at least to maybe this daily zone or 8-hour zone. Because I think price was somewhere up here at the daily zone when I was looking at it. So then coming down to the 1 hour, because all technicals are done on the 1 hour. Let me bar replay this back to where, there we go. So when I was looking at this trade and at this setup, something that I noted was the Elliott cycle waves. The market likes to make 3 cycles and then it likes to consolidate and then 3 more waves. So we have 1, 2, 3, and then we hit a level of consolidation. Oops. And right now, you could potentially say that we're in the making of 1 to 2 to maybe potentially 3. Not always guaranteed science, like anything is just market structure, but it does let me know that we left a bearish trend and now we might be ending into another bearish trend. And so what I noted then was this order block right here using that doji candle, because this was the finish of the previous cycle. So this large engulfing coming out of this consolidation zone is very significant. It's the first impulse down. So I was looking to catch a retest somewhere in this zone. And I went down to lower time frames like the 15-minute and 3-minute to really pinpoint where I wanted to get my entry at. So you can see right here, we have, again, another good clean order block. Right there, that was engulfed with a nice retest. And that's ultimately where my entry came from, because I would have preferred entry up here, but I wasn't on the charts. So my next best entry was here, and it was the close below what I call my random line. And you can see if we got another good closure, past practices should show a good candle closure will send us back down to at least this 8-hour level. So would have preferred entry up there, missed it, stayed patient, and just waited for order block to form again and got in on a retest. And then we can just kind of play it through to see what it did. Boom, went to TP. And overall, I think like it kept falling, but that was a 2-to-1 risk to reward. I was risking about 1,500 pips. I could have had a way tighter stop loss somewhere up down here. But I just wanted to just give breathing room and put it above this wick, because ultimately that was where my original entry was supposed to be at. So just giving price that breathing room, but still trying to push for that 2-to-1 risk to reward. I think price ended up falling more. Oh, no. You can see, oh, look at that. Price came right back to where we took the entry at this morning, and you could have really restacked your entry because we came down to maybe the 3-minute time frame. Oh, yeah, look at that. So you had this engulfing get violated with this large candle, and then 1, 2, and 3. I probably would potentially look to take the trade right there off of these dojis, and that breakthrough coming down, because you could easily do a counter trend, something like that. And then once the counter trend was broken, it lets you know that we're headed back down to the downside and falling. So right now you can easily say we're probably going to go to this daily line. That's why I really try to keep it simple with my support and resistance line, like just take it from zone to zone. But yeah, I'll catch you guys up on the next one. Peace.